What's up guys? It's here the first look of Samsung Galaxy A53. This is undoubtedly one of Samsung's hottest phone of 2022, but with it Samsung is about to break your heart in about 3.5mm pieces. Yes, the 3.5mm the headphone jack is dead. It seems as Samsung has finally drawn the trigger. First we had the flagship and now the mid-range phone will lose on this traditional feature. To be honest, I am kind of disappointed because I did not expect them to do this to their mid-range / affordable phones. With the headphone jack gone, the Galaxy A53 is actually thinner than the previous model. So now you have to rely on that USB-C port for that headphone jack connection. Looking at this decision, I will not be surprised if in the future Samsung decides to remove the charger and headphone out of the box for their mid-range phones. I know a lot of people will be disappointed by this decision, and honestly, I don't think Samsung needed to do this. But since they have done it, possibly other manufacturers will also follow the same move, and then maybe one day eventually all phones will lose on the headphone jack. Now as for the design, the phone looks very much similar to the Galaxy A52 from last year. Honestly, I cannot tell the difference. It's sad to have a flat back as well as a flat front. We have got the same punch hole camera with fairly minimal bezels, but there still are noticeable chin down below. It's important that side bezels are actually thinner compared to the previous model, so you are getting a little bit of improvement. When it comes to the bezels, let's look at for the back. Once again, we are looking at a quad camera setup which looks pretty similar to last year's model in terms of arrangement, and it's rumored to have a 64 megapixel lens, while the A73, the same looking phone but in a bigger body, is rumored to come with a 108 megapixel sensor. So in a nutshell, design wise, it's pretty much a Galaxy A52 with no headphone jack. Now I am fine with the design, but I am concerned about the headphone jack situation and how the market will respond to this big decision. Now to make the A73 and A53 stand out compared to previous generations, Samsung is planning some new colors, especially blue and orange colors are rumored for the next Galaxy A22 series. Now the biggest most important thing about the mid-range phones in 2022, especially the Samsung mid-range phones compared to the competition, is the specs, particularly the chip. It rumors that Samsung could implement a brand new mid-range Exynos chip with AMD GPU on the Galaxy A series. Whether they do that or not, we need a powerful chip. Either that or a good strong Snapdragon processor. The display is only the same 6.5 inches. A 1080p 120Hz HDR screen. We'll see a bigger battery IP67 rating. All in all, the biggest highlight of the design is definitely the loose of headphone jack. Drop your thoughts in the comment. With that being said, I will see you guys later. Peace out.